Welcome to Get in Las Vegas Trouble. We are here at the Westgate in the two-bedroom, not two-bedroom, two beds room. So we have this office area over here with the safe underneath. This is a nice little charging station. As you can see under there, there's 4 plugs. There is 10 throughout the whole room. We have a nice view of the golf course with the Strat facing away from the strip in this room. Nice little chandelier decor, bed. This is just a regular fridge, not a mini fridge, so that is nice. Don't have to worry about anything in there. Coming around to the bathroom, it is just a single sink, makeup mirror. I was surprised by the actual size of this closet because it does go back a little bit. So you can see it's a little bit more spacious than you think at first sight. Toilet with the shower, regular size tub, and regular shower head. And that's it for our Westgate room. Thank you. Thanks for watching.